This is from 1958. It's called a Bliss. It says it's from 1958. It's a Bliss. Calls it a carriage. This 1958 Bliss Surrey carriage has a single cylinder, 8 horsepower engine with a 2-speed manual transmission and a semi-automatic clutch. And it's sold for $9,000. This is a 1974 Cadillac Fleetwood. It was purchased by Elvis Presley, but it was gifted to his personal psychic as a gift. And there's apparently some correspondence between his personal psychic and himself, proving that this car was purchased by Elvis Presley. And she says he also rode in the vehicle on several occasions. This is a 1957 Chevy Handyman. There's the crane in the background. 1957 Handyman custom wagon. So I'm assuming not numbers matching again. And the wagon has the trailer attached to it with the boat. And they're shooting it. They're just coming in with the crane. Well, it's getting both angles. I don't know if that's a live, I assume that's a live shot that's available for the editors. There's the whole thing, car and trailer both, with the crane shooting it. Here he comes. Let him get a shot. He's up in there. And some next level stuff right there. Posters in the back. Got their setup out here. They're all set up out here. And they got some displays. And some products out here. Let's revisit this. It's not too busy. I got some exteriors, and I got some interiors. Here's the inside of this. There's the captain's chair, as it were. So press record. What's the name of the company that has
this? We are Sport Truck RV.
Sport Truck RV is
located in the Phoenix area and when the LA area.
Sport Truck RV. And this is one of the vehicles that they have. We're going to go in the back here and check it out. We have a bedroom. It looks like this is what expands to let you have all this room here. So here's the bedroom area in the back. There's a TV in here. Here's your window. Okay. This is the last one of the weekend for me. This is a sign-off. This is a 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass. It's a custom So we're thinking no matching numbers on this. Here it is, the 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass, custom convertible. W31 HO350. Look at the hood. Sale price is on here as $35,000. There it is. That's Barrett Jackson. That's it for Barrett Jackson for me. This is me walking out of the building. The Ford booth. And this is how you exit Barrett Jackson.